Researchers learned one thing on account of the rise of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked vigorously to foster an extraordinary digital money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments irreplaceable nearby cash. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a far-reaching value expectation of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo, Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a positive option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a quick advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly put aside open after an installment and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The value-based scale. 2. Making it simpler for applications to consistently incorporate. The universe of installments has all the earmarks of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a beneficial venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction money trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The principal advantage purchasers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Nexo, Nexo, essential examination. Notwithstanding being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very powerless and, as other digital forms of money, is intensely dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from $0.558 to $0.987 during April and May 2018, a huge increment that proposed a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Notwithstanding, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, however it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed terrible showing, the Nexo cost showed dependability, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a critical expansion in energy. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million supporters overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 critical digital currencies are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, UXI, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is much of the time lower, clients can acquire up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was delivering 7%. Nexo has noteworthy Trustpilot evaluations, but there are additionally obviously a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo, Nexo, specialized investigation. The cost of Nexo has a splendid standpoint for the future since it depends on specialized investigation. Given its steady unwavering quality, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost forecast, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many tasks will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost expectation, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly for a really long time, as indicated by all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo, Nexo, current cost. Nexo is right now worth $0.896961 US dollars. Nexo has moved minus 1.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,798,607. Nexo is right now positioned 72 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $494,093,610. Nexo, Nexo, Value Forecast 2022. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, Nexo. The Nexo cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.35. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.26 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $1.08. Nexo, Nexo, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $2.24. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.79 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.97. Nexo, Nexo, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.14 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.87 and a low of $2.69 in 2024. Nexo, Nexo, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Nexo effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2025. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.04, with a base cost of $3.59 and a typical cost of $3.77. Nexo, Nexo, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.66 by 2026.